how to rotate a video by 90 degrees or any number of degrees which you want. I am rotating it by 90 degrees in Flutter macOS application using AVMutableComposition. So here is my Flutter app running. Now before I click on pick video, I want to tell you the process. So once I click on pick video, it will open the files explorer for us. User can pick a video, then depending on how big your video is, it will take some time to rotate that video. So be patient if your video is extremely big, otherwise you might feel that nothing is happening. And once our video is rotated, our app will show a video player and start playing the video. But unfortunately there is one bug in Flutter macOS. Once the video player starts playing, we currently don't have any ability to pause the video. Even if we see the pause button, we are not able to pause the video because of this particular issue. So be careful with that. And as soon as the video starts playing, I'll just click on this save video so that it will save the rotated video to our downloads folder as well. Once it is saved, I will immediately close it, but because otherwise you won't be able to hear what I'm saying, given that the video will start playing. That's why, and because of this issue I will not be able to pause the video. So here you can see my downloads folder. I have just one video for bigger escapes. I'll click on pick video. It opens the video picker like file explorer for me. I'll just select this video. I'll click on open. Now this video is very short, so it will rotate it quickly and start playing inside video player. So I have immediately stopped it, and here you can see the rotated video has been saved as well. So let's see how to do this for Flutter macOS. So as you can see, I have created a Flutter project. Then I have taken one text button for picking a video, one text button for saving a video, and here I am displaying a custom widget called my macOS video view. So to show you from the very start, I have just refactored this homepage widget. So I have created a method channel for picking the video as well as transforming it. So here I have this video URL variable. So as soon as we call pick video, it does the picking as well as the transformation simultaneously and gives us the updated video URL. So I just save it in this variable, and for saving video I'm just calling save video method. Next, inside text button I'm calling pick video. In this text button I am calling save video, and once this video URL is not equal to empty, then we are displaying our my macOS video view. Now this has been wrapped inside sized box. This is necessary, otherwise what will happen is that your custom widget won't get displayed. That's why. Next, for creating this custom widget, I have created this file. It is a stateful widget. I am using this identifier. Same identifier you will have to use it on Flutter macOS side. Similar for method channel as well. This and this one, same identifier you have to use it on native macOS side as well. So here I have, it takes a video URL. We are sending that video URL with the help of this creation params. We are creating one key as well, so that in case the user picks some other video, we want to update the widget. So this is the logic for that. And if the platform is macOS, then we are displaying an AppKit view. The identifier, we are passing the identifier in view type. Over here we are passing our key, and we are passing our creation params as well. Now you will have to open the XE workspace from your macOS folder inside Xcode. I have already opened it. First you will have to go to runner, targets, sign in and capabilities, and here inside user selected file, make sure this is read only, and inside downloads folder you can add this read write permission. Similarly for app sandbox release as well, add this read only and read write permission as well. Once that is done, go to your main Flutter window, and here you can see I have first imported AVKit, and I have created one variable for final URL for which stores the URL of our transformed video, which is like rotated video. Then we have created our method channel. Once pick video method is called, we are calling this open video picker method. So if you see this open video picker, we are basically opening our file explorer. We are filtering by videos. multiple selection is false, and we begin by once so here we actually get the URL. So once the user has picked the file, and we send this URL to our transformed method, so it will rotate our video and give us the updated URL which I'm sending back. I'll come back to this transform method in a bit, but once we have the updated URL, we send the updated URL back to Flutter side. And for save video, again I'll come back to save video in a bit. I will first show you the transformed method. So it takes a video URL, we are creating a file manager and AVURL asset as well. Then we take hold of the video using the clip video track. Then we load the natural size. If the natural size dot height is equal to the natural size dot width, then we don't rotate the video because it is a square video, and we just assign it to our final variable. Then we create an AVMutableComposition, and then we make a CM time make. Then again we check for the square size. If the height is greater than the width, then we take the width, otherwise we take the height. Then we call render size over here. Then we create an AVMutableComposition again. We load the duration of the entire video, insert that inside the time range. Then we get hold of this AVMutableComposition layer instruction. Then over here we just make use of our transform. So this is the code for it, and here you can see I have hard coded 90 degrees. So double dot pi is 180 divided by 2 is 90. So here instead of hard coding, you might want to send it from Flutter side, you can do that as well. So then we are creating this transform, then setting that particular transform, setting layer instructions, then the instructions as well. Then we are creating an export path as well as an export URL. If the file already exists, we remove that particular file. Then we create an AV asset export session. We create a video composition, assign our export URL to our output URL, and the file type is MOV. Then we call export. Then we just assign our output URL to our final URL and return that final URL. Then coming back to saving our video, so here we first get hold of our downloads directory. If final URL is not equal to null, then we create a path component out of it and create a variable called destination URL. If the file already exists, does not already exist, then we return. And if file already exists with some such name inside our downloads directory, we remove that file, and then we move file from our temporary URL to our destination URL, so which is in the downloads directory. Now we also need to show our AV player. For that I have created this thing. So this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to integrate native macOS view inside your Flutter app. The only thing which you have to be careful is this is your identifier and this is the Swift file which I have created. So just create this Swift file. Now inside this Swift file, again everything is boilerplate. I have just imported AVKit. This entire thing till here which you see is boilerplate code. Then we just create our AV player view. Then we get the video URL which we are sending it from Flutter side. Once we have it, we convert it to a proper URL. We create an AV player out of it, assign our player to our player view, start playing the video, and here we are returning our player view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.